How to chat on WhatsApp without saving a number. Quick and easy. Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you a super easy trick to chat on WhatsApp without saving a number. It's fast, simple, and works perfectly on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Step 1. Locate and open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap on the calls icon at the bottom of your screen. Step 2. Tap the plus icon. On the Calls tab, tap the plus icon and select Call a Number. This will open the dialer. Step 3. Type in the number. Enter the phone number you want to chat with, then press the chat icon below. You can also call the number on WhatsApp by tapping the call button if needed. Step 4. Start your chat. Once the chat opens, type and send any message you want. And that's it. You've successfully sent a WhatsApp message without saving the contact. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tips like this. See you in my next video.